This is a recipe for venison meatballs brought to you by Wild and Game. You can purchase the venison mince for this recipe from our website. Start by slicing the bread into cubes and soaking it in milk. It doesn't matter how much milk you use, as long as it covers the bread up. Next, remove the meat from the packet and place in a large mixing bowl. Now slice the garlic up thinly and add to the meat. Do the same with the parsley. And then add the parmesan and the rest of the spices along with the lemon rind to the bowl. Strain the bread in a colander to separate the milk, and then add the bread to the meat mixture and mix it together thoroughly. Dip your hands in water and form the meatballs. Place them on a tray. Now place some oil in the roasting tray and place it in the hot oven for 5 minutes. Very carefully transfer the meatballs to the hot tray and then return the tray to the oven. After 10 minutes, remove the meatballs from the oven and add half of the tomato sauce. Now return the meatballs to the oven to continue cooking in the sauce. Slice up the roasted peppers and add them to the remaining sauce. To make the polenta, heat the vegetable stock cube with water and the milk and bring it to a simmer. Now add the dry polenta. Keep stirring the polenta over the heat until you're happy with the consistency, and then finish it off by adding a large handful of grated parmesan. Finally, we're ready to serve. Remove the meatballs from the oven and then spoon some polenta into each bowl. Now add 3 meatballs and some sauce. And then finish it off with a garnish of fresh herbs and more grated parmesan. If you have enjoyed this recipe, please check out some of our other ideas and support us by purchasing your game meat through the Wild and Game website.